Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Finding the biggest real GDP impact is all about the multiplier, and this one is quick if you compare how consumption changes ripple through output. Start with the idea that a change in real GDP depends on the spending multiplier times the change in consumption, so we are looking for the year with the largest total effect. That means you compare years using both ingredients together, not just the consumption change alone, because the marginal propensity to consume determines how strongly each initial spending change keeps circulating. When you follow those given values year by year, the largest possible overall change in real GDP happens in 2020, so option C wins. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps because multiplier questions punish fast guessing.